Hey everyone, my name is Ben Otten and I'm here in Potsdam, Germany finishing up a semester exchange with the Arts Administration program. Alright everyone, that's a wrap for me today. Hope you enjoyed seeing some of Potsdam and Berlin, and I hope you think about studying abroad in the future.